Hello and welcome back to another episode. We are back in the riverbed to pick up trash, and I've already got my first find, some kind of metal rod. So this goes in the back. And here's some plastic tangled up. It looks like we got everything out, and now this bush is clean again. Okay, here's our next find. I think this is a bike rim, but I can't get it out. That's the bike rim.
Maybe we will find the rest later.
Yes. Maybe upstream from here are the other parts of the bike. Okay, so let's get all the grass out of here. So maybe it's possible to recycle it. I don't know, but I think it's better if it's out. Got to be careful with the stinging nettles. I hope they don't get me. But it looks like they are. What's even worse than the stinging nettles here is the plastic is caught on a barbed wire fence here. So that makes it even more difficult to safely get out here. What the hell? So what we have here is another plastic rope, and it's actually quite long, and let's see if we can get it out of the river. The plastic's already pretty broken, but it's still attached to the tree here, and if we cut it here, I think we can get it out. It worked. Here it is, plastic rope. This is all the plastic rope that was here, and we managed to get out everything. So let's put it in the bag. Okay, the bag is already quite full, but my problem is that I forgot to charge my GoPro, so it's only at 39% at the moment, and I'll have to focus on the bigger stuff, like this other bike rim. So we got a pair, and maybe we are able to find the rest of the bike and build a new bike. That would be great, but I doubt that would be working. So we just found the plastic mountain of doom. It's really hard to remove, and it's all really fragile. So we are going to see what we can remove, but it's not looking good. Okay, we got it out, and it's really a lot of plastic. I mean, look at that. That's insane. That's so much plastic. And another shoe, so I really don't know why we are finding so many of these. first bag is already full, so it's time for our second bag. And we are at 34% battery, so it's a bit of a race now. And that's our first fishing lure. More plastic. Another shoe sole. So at the moment we are trying to get this rubber thing out, but it's really stuck under this rock that we are unable to move. And yeah, we are not sure if we can get it out. Okay, so we managed to get the stone out, and that rubber thing is still stuck, and we fear that if we pull too hard it will just rip and leave the other half buried. Okay, so it's finally out. This is our plastic snake, and yeah, it's free. So I think we just found the perfect lock for our bicycle. And here we have another rubber snake. Oh, it's coming out. It's fighting back.
Take it, watch out!
Here it is. And another shoe. My battery is dying and we are heading home. And this is our second bag. And I think we just found out where the bike rims came from. This looks like a complete bike without the rims. Okay, I think building our own bike is getting a bit difficult. There's a lot of rust. But I think it might be drivable. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're getting it out, and it's in pretty bad condition. It's barely seeable, I think, on the camera. This is everything we found. A fresh, brand new bicycle, 2 nice rims, and we even found a lock for our new bicycle, and these 2 bags of trash.